S&P 500 Index Analysis. Bull market continues with new all-time highs. In the next few minutes, we will analyze the current state of the S&P 500 index and discuss the strategies that can be employed to navigate this bull market. We will also provide an overview of recent market-moving economic reports and their implications for investors. Bull market continues. The Dow Jones Industrial Average, DJIA, has hit new all-time highs for 3 consecutive days this week, indicating a strong bull market. Despite short-term declines, it is important to note that these should not trigger sell signals. The conservative S&P 500 strategy is designed to protect investors from bear markets and is based on long-term chart analysis rather than emotions or news events. Long-term strategy. The conservative strategy allows for fluctuations in the market and does not attempt to time every little up and down. It is designed to be long-term oriented and is currently in a bullish position. Investors can consider investing in the Rydex S&P 500 Nova Fund, RYNVX, or other S&P 500 index funds or ETFs such as SPY. Recent market performance. In the past week, the S&P 500 index, SPX, has gained 15.1% in the last 6 weeks, reflecting the strength of the bull market. Small caps, which are often seen as an indicator of a sustainable bull market, have also rallied significantly. The Russell 2000 Index, IWM, has gained 22.8% in the past 6 weeks, with a 5.5% increase in the small cap sector this week alone. Federal Reserve's impact. The Federal Reserve recently held interest rates unchanged for the 3rd consecutive month and projected 3/4 percentage point cuts in 2024. This news pushed the Dow to new highs. Jim Grant, founder and editor of Grant's Interest Rate Observer, stated that inflation is not as temporary as many believe and that there is no such thing as deflation in modern monetary life within the U.S. Market-moving economic reports. Several economic reports were released this week, providing insights into the state of the U.S. economy. U.S. consumer inflation expectations for the year ahead fell to 3.4% in November 2023, indicating a trend of disinflation. The U.S. annual inflation rate slowed to 3.1% in November, the lowest in 5 months. Additionally, retail sales unexpectedly increased by 0.3% in November, rebounding from a fall in October. Conclusion. The S&P 500 index continues to perform strongly, with the Dow reaching new all-time highs. The current position in the conservative strategy is bullish, and aggressive traders can consider investing in the Rydex Nova S&P 500 Fund, RYNVX, or other bullish S&P 500 index funds or ETFs. It is important to stay informed about market-moving economic reports and their implications for investment decisions.
As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.